Greetings to all of you traders out there, wherever you are in the world. This AZZAM Karmaya from AFD Traders. AFD Traders is a team with professional traders and professional coder. In this video we will show you an exclusive and very profitable complete trading system, and show to you how to make it more profitable. This strategy is requested from our Discord member. And you can do the same by suggesting to us your own strategies. If you want to see more content like this and want to help us with YouTube algorithm, you can do by like, subscribe, and turn on notification to never miss new and better strategies. Now let's go ahead and add them to our chart. 200 EMA. Ichimoku. SuperTrend. This strategy can be used in all type of markets, stocks, futures, forex, and crypto. For a long signal to be valid, price must be close above the 200 EMA and above the white line. By signal from SuperTrend. Now we can take a long position. Our stop loss must be at SuperTrend. First target is 1 to 1. And second target is 1 to 2. Here all conditions fulfilled. And now let's move on to short condition. For a short signal to be valid, price must be close below the 200 EMA and below the white line. Sell signal from SuperTrend. Now we can take a short position. Our stop loss must be at SuperTrend. First target is 1 to 1. And second target is 1 to 2. Here all conditions fulfilled. Now it's time to code it, so anyone can easily trade with it, or link it to a trading bot. And we're finally done. If you like the strategy and would like to use it, you can add it to your chart for free. There are two ways to do that. The first one is by clicking on our Telegram link. And you'll find this channel AFD Trading Strategy. Here you'll find all the previous strategies and codes. You click on the strategy that you'd like to use. And then you click on Add to Favorite Indicators. And then open your Trading View chart. And you'll find it in the favorite list. And it's the same for Discord. Click on the Discord link. And you'll find this channel Strategies channel. And you'll also find here all the previous strategies and codes. Click on the strategy that you'd like to use. And add it to your favorite indicators list. Then open your Trading View chart and you'll find it in the favorite list. Also on our Discord you can find technical analysis, important news, more videos, free signals, and all our coding strategies. You will find the code of this strategy on the description below and try it yourself. What would you do to make this better? Let us know. We will be so happy to help you and try our best to make you maximize your profits. Good luck and stay tuned for another video.